Whether you are looking to reduce operating costs, expand into new markets, or improve shareholder reporting, Epicor ERP solutions improve business process management and provide a powerful platform with the flexibility and agility to drive growth. Let's take a quick look at the essential tools that Epicor ERP offers. So, what we have here is the Epicor ERP home screen. It is a modern user interface with a Windows 8 look and feel to it. All of these tiles and panels are optimised for a touchscreen interface, so whether you're using a mobile device, a laptop or a PC, it is easy to navigate your way around. I can expand any of my tile groups to be able to access the individual functionality within them. I can also move tiles around and even change the colour scheme of the entire application. One of the great things about the Epicor ERP home screen is the ability, as a user, to be able to personalise your page to have all of the key things that are important to you at your fingertips. So things like your favourite shortcuts. I have a number of favourite groups here where I'm able to access functions that I use regularly. Maybe if I use a single function more than most each day, I can embed a link on my home page to open up that form at the touch of a button. In addition to this, I can have links to other Epicor forms, Epicor reports, or even external documents that I want to have quick access to. I can embed them all on my personalised homepage. I can also add links to external programs, so frequently used applications such as Word or Outlook can be opened from within Epicor ERP with a single click. The same can be done with URLs, so I have a series of URL shortcuts here that will take me to my favourite websites without having to leave Epicor ERP. I have some informational tiles here that when I access will take me out to view something that we call dashboards. Dashboards are powerful and flexible tools that will provide you with simple access to critical real-time information. You can think of a dashboard as your own personal information centre. So like your car's dashboard will tell you the current information about your car, the Epicor ERP dashboards display the current information you need to carry out your job role. Many different display options are available to view your data. For example, you can present data on a grid or a chart. If you want to see the data displayed in a different chart format, then you can simply change the type of chart that you see. So as you have seen, accessing important information is very easy to do from my personalised home screen. But let's say, for example, that I'm a salesperson who doesn't use the ERP system very often, and I'm unsure of where to get my information from. I'm going to visit a customer called Addison, and I'd like to find out as much information about the customer before I go. Up on the right-hand corner of my screen here, I have a magnifying glass icon. This will take me to the Enterprise Search function. Enterprise Search is a bit like carrying out a Google search, but instead of searching the internet, it will search my ERP data. So, having little knowledge of the Epicor ERP system, I'm able to come into Enterprise Search and type in a keyword that I want the system to search for. In this case, I will use the customer name of Addison. The system will now go away and search the entire database for all instances of the word Addison, a bit like a search engine such as Google would search the web. When the results are returned, I can see all of the information held in the system about my Addison customer. The tag cloud on the right-hand side will show me the type of information that the system holds. Now here, the bigger the word, the more instances there are of that information in the system. So I can see that there have been lots of orders, even more invoices, not so many contacts or quotes and so on. So I may want to have a look at all of the orders that Addison have placed, so I can narrow down my search results to just orders, then view the data on the screen, or maybe view the list or data in a type of grid view, which I can also publish out to Excel if I want to. Now let's say, for example, that Addison are inquiring on an order that they have placed. The purchase order number is 2312. So I'm able to just type that in here and search again, and now Enterprise Search will display the sales order transaction that PO relates to. If I want to see any more details, then I can just right-click on the transaction and use the sales order tracker, which then gives me further information about that sales order. I can view the invoices tab and see when it was invoiced and how much for. Then from there, I may choose to print a copy of the invoice or maybe email it to the customer. So you can see how easy it was from the Enterprise Search screen to inquire on information by searching on a simple keyword, and also how easy it is to right-click and then drill down into the information held against the underlying transaction. Now, if I'm to access my program menu, you will see a traditional looking menu structure. However, if users are accessing the structure from a tablet, then they will have the ability to view the menu structure in a tiled or zoomed format. Within a single login, I can jump across multiple entities within my organisation. You will see here that I'm able to access multiple companies across the world from my Epicor ERP menu screen. If I drill down into the Epaccsys demo company, you will see that I can now access further sites or divisions within this company. Going down from the divisions are all the functional areas within the application, whether that be the financial management, the material management, sales management, and so on. And that concludes our 5-minute look at Epicor ERP. For any further information, please contact Epaccsys Limited.